Hello, everyone, and God bless you. And you know who is this? This is Sister Moniz, and welcome to all my subscribers, and welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you all for support this channel. So it is a pleasure that I'm sharing this video with you, and this is a Saturday in my life. Let's get clean up. Let's clean up this kitchen with me. And after I went shopping, and this kitchen was a mess, and I decided to make a video. So I'm just wanna motivate you as other people and motivate me. So let's just go ahead and clean up this kitchen together. As I'm cleaning maybe after you watch this video, you can go ahead and do a deep cleaning in your kitchen. You might do a light cleaning, but let's go this time. Let's do a deep cleaning. So yes, even though I said deep cleaning, but there's stuff I can never finish it because it will take me longer to do it. So yes, after I remove everything, and this is my girls too. They are in the kitchen clean. One is washing and one is put the stuff away. So it's me. I'm cleaning the microwave because I want it to have a better clean. I want to make sure it's really clean, well done. So I clean it with some bleach and soap. I clean the inside, and I remove the stuff on it. So make sure you clean it. So family, just sit down with me, watch you, get some popcorn, get some drink, and I know it's not easy to clean, but hey, we just have to do it, okay? So yes, we just have to do it, and just get up and do it. It is our job. Sometimes men can clean too, but me, I always do the most cleaning. So, and this is the vinegar. Yeah, I'm just gonna put some white vinegar in this bowl, and then I'm just going to put it inside the microwave and let it put 1 minute, and then let this spray it all over the microwave. So it's going to kill all those bacteria. So this is the reason why I use it. And now I'm going to clean the stove, remove everything, and I'm going to spray it. So yeah, and then I'm spraying inside the oven with that grill spray. So it is just gonna degrease all the grease inside the oven. And I'm going to use vinegar. I'm going to use baking soda, and there's another spray just made for it. It's just like a soap on it, and I'm gonna let it stay for like a few minutes before I can scrub it, so it can take all this grease out. So it is a hard job, but it's not hard when you want to do it. So, but yeah, like it or not, even you want, but you just have to clean up, because if you do not clean up before you know it, bugs will be all over your house, and I don't think nobody don't want that. But the only way you can keep those bugs out is just keep it clean. I just keep clean very often. So the more you clean very often, and the more you remove all the stuff, and you're just gonna keep all this bug cockroach out your house. So I take this vinegar off the microwave and put it away. So now I spray the stove top. The spray I use is the spray was made for the oven glass. It's going to remove all this heavy stuff on the top of the stove. So scrub it. I use an eponge. so it's not that heavy. And then I rinse it out. I take this washcloth, I rinse it out. So that's all I use. And then you're gonna see it is so clean. But I use a scrub. I use the scrub to scrub everything, so that's how it's gonna be removed. So let's go ahead and sit down and see what I'm doing. And do not hesitate to send me any requests. If you know a better way to clean up the oven, just let me know, because everybody have a way to do stuff. So let me know what you use. What the other way do you have? And do not forget, family, to share your idea with me. And I put baking soda, because after I use the first stuff, it does not remove it all. So I just have to do it again for the second time, so I can remove all the heavy stuff inside the oven. So this is the hard part in the kitchen, and this is take the longest. This is take the longest to remove. But if you do it very often, the more you do it, it's not gonna take time to clean. But as a busy mom, it take me time. It take me some time. So, yeah. And my job is almost done, because my girls help me. They wash the dishes for me, and some of them I put it away. The hard thing I have to do is just clean up the oven, and they wash the dishes, and then they're gonna go and then let me stay in the kitchen by myself to finish it up, because they are kids. They want to have fun, they want to watch TV. So after the worst part for me is the dishes, but they get the dishes out of my way now, so I just have to deal with the rest. I remove this oven. It's not like me remove it, my son remove it for me. So I can remove it too, but he was around and he removed it for me. You see, family, how many dust, how dirty it is in the back. And this is like, I don't know how long I clean it, but this is like not even 6 months ago when I cleaned the back of this stove. So I spray it all over. This is how you prevent all those bugs not coming. So yeah, and this mop is good for me, because it can get all into the corner, so I can remove. I use Fabuloso to mop the floor, but you can use Pine Sol. Whatever you have, that's what you have, and this is what I use. So, but you can use Pine Sol too. But the lavender Fabuloso, it's just gonna make it really smell. And after I finish to mop it, and my son push it. After he push it back, now we are going to remove the same thing we do for the oven. We're gonna do the same thing for the fridge too. I'm going to remove it and clean up everything in the back, and then I'm going to mop it, use the Fabuloso, and then when I finish, I push it back. And then I'm still gonna keep mopping the floor. So this is just like take all the stuff in the corner, and then I clean up the fridge, not the inside today, but the outside. But the inside is another project for me to do, another Saturday. So the only time I have to do it, it's only on Saturday. So yes, you just choose whatever time you off, whatever time you have available. That was the time it's available for me to clean up, because on Saturday there's no school. I don't have to take kids to school. And now it's time for me to clean up this sink. I put this white vinegar, and it's gonna kill the germs, under the sink. It's not under the sink, and this sink is really bad. All the food stuck on it, so it's gonna kill all those germs. Then I use this too. This is like gonna make it shine. So, and I just wash it and scrub it. So, okay, family, do not forget to send me a comment and let me know what another way you can clean up your area. This is how I clean mine, and how do you clean yours? And I hope I inspire someone. I hope I motivate someone. So as other people motivate me, by seeing other people doing it, it motivate me. And I hope all my subscribers, after you see these videos, or if you are on YouTube, please subscribe, and you're gonna see more videos like this, cooking. So yes, family, just let me know, what do you think about my cleaning today? When you share your idea with me, you help me make more improvement. And please, I want this channel have more family. So invite other people. And this thing too I put is just something about worse is killing all the germ too. So yes, do not forget, family, put your thumbs up for me. My cleaning is about to be done, because when you see me cleaning the floor, mopping the floor, that means everything it is over. And yes, family, this is my clean now. Yeah, this is after. You know how it was before. Now this is after. It is clean and smell good. Everything clean. And yes, this is my coffee area. Let me know what do you think, but it's not finished yet. I still have some more stuff. This is my sink, so shiny, so clean. And let me know, do you think I do a good job? So now this is it is May. It is Mother's Day time. So I go to the store and I buy myself a flower. So it's not like because I don't have kids to buy me flower, but my son was with me. He chose this flower just so I can have my kitchen and fresh and smell good. But I don't really like the way I put my flower, but hey, that's the way I feel like I want to put it. I put it. After I do all those cleaning, so what I do, I have me some drink. It's not alcohol, but it's something who can help me relax, family. And this is what I drink. Just go ahead and give yourself some drink. Give yourself something you like and go ahead and relax now, because your job, it is done. I hope somebody come and say, yes, I just got my kitchen have a deep cleaning, because when you remove all those stuff, it take you longer. And this is a hard job, and to God be the glory. My kitchen, it is done, family. Go ahead, send me a comment and share my drink with me. So if you drink wine, get some wine. Whatever drink gonna make you happy, just go ahead and relax. Have fun. So this is what I do. After I finish, I just relax and have me some popcorn and sit down, family, enjoy myself. But Don't forget to subscribe, please. Share it and like it, and let me know what do you think about my kitchen decor, how I put stuff. Let me know what is missing. This is my coffee area, coffee time. So yes, put your thumbs up for me and share it with your friend, and let me know what do you like in my kitchen. So let me know what do you like, and let me know too what you don't like. So do you think I do a good job on that cleaning? But for me, it make me happy because I feel my kitchen. After I clean up my kitchen, I don't even feel like to cook on it. I just want to stay just like that. Don't cook. Bye, family. Jesus love you.